In this video, I will tell you about what is ghee coffee, how to make ghee coffee, what are the benefits of ghee coffee, and answer some questions related to ghee coffee that will be discussed at the end of our video. What is ghee coffee? As the name suggests, you get ghee coffee when ghee is added to black coffee. While the benefits of ghee coffee are touted to be immense and has become famous as a weight loss drink, it is important to assess its side effects as well. Ghee coffee is believed to be healthy as it is enriched with the benefits of both ghee as well as coffee. When we combine healthy fats with caffeine, we end up with a higher metabolism, as well as burn more fat. This drink can even increase our cognitive function. Tea lovers can also have ghee tea. Both ghee tea and ghee coffee come with their own set of benefits. How to make ghee coffee? Making ghee coffee is as easy as it sounds. This internet-trending ghee coffee, or bulletproof coffee, is made by adding a teaspoon of ghee to the coffee and mixing it until it becomes frothy. What are the benefits of ghee coffee? Ghee coffee does include the potential benefits of both ghee and caffeine. Here are some ghee coffee benefits. 1. Keep you energetic. Combining caffeine with a form of clarified butter, or ghee, helps to sustain your energy levels throughout the day. Ghee is a great energy source, and when caffeine is added to this mix, it will help to keep you energetic throughout the day. A study, published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition, states that this sustained release of energy is due to the combination of fats with caffeine. 2. Keeps you more alert. Besides being physically active, you will be mentally more alert as well. Another benefit of ghee coffee is that it helps to improve your cognitive function. Ghee contains antioxidants which help repair the degenerative changes in our brain. These fatty acids can cross the blood-brain barrier and have a neuroprotective effect, or the process of slowing the loss of neurons, states this study, published in a conference paper from the Indigenous Cow, Agriculture, and Holistic Health. Therefore, adding ghee to coffee can help to improve alertness, as well as increase concentration. 3. Keeps you full for a long time. Another benefit of ghee coffee is that it promotes weight loss. It does so as it keeps you full for a long time. A study, published in Current Developments in Nutrition, states that 1 cup of bulletproof coffee or ghee coffee increases the feelings of fullness and results in a reduction in food consumption even after 3 hours. Point 4. Improves digestion. Ghee coffee is also great for our digestive system. Ghee contains fatty acids, and these help to stimulate the digestive process. This leads to better gastrointestinal health, states this study, published in the Journal of Ayurveda and Integrative Medicine. There are many benefits of drinking ghee with warm water on an empty stomach. 5. Helps the immune system. Ghee is great for our immune system. It is rich in vitamin A and vitamin E, which can help our body fight against many infections as well as illnesses. Coffee, too, helps to strengthen the immune system, as it is rich in caffeine, caffestyl, coeal, and chlorogenic acid, states this study, published in Trends in Food Science and Technology. 6. Helps to boost metabolism. Ghee contains MCTs that help to improve your metabolism. This helps to burn more calories, which in turn helps you to shed kilos. It helps the body use its stored fat for energy. Thus, a cup of ghee coffee in the morning can make you fitter and healthier. 7. Promotes heart health. Adding ghee to your coffee can help to keep cardiovascular diseases at bay. Ghee helps to reduce inflammation as well as cholesterol in the body. Coffee, too, has been scientifically proven to reduce cardiovascular-related mortality, hypertension, and cholesterol, states this study, published in the Oxner Journal. Therefore, ghee coffee is an excellent combination for a better and stronger heart. However, this cannot be a complete alternative for your meal as all your macronutrients are not present in it. Can you have ghee coffee every day? Yes, but only in moderation. Ghee contains saturated fat, so you must focus on moderation. Excessive levels of these fats can increase the risk of cardiovascular disease. Managing your overall fat intake can help you easily navigate your day-to-day consumption. What to remember while having ghee coffee? While there are many benefits of ghee coffee, it is important to understand that it is not a complete meal in itself and cannot replace your regular balanced meals. However, this can be a part of a healthy diet. It is essential to watch the timing of your consumption. Consuming caffeine later in the morning will not affect your cortisol level negatively. Also, ensure to consume it earlier in the evening and not during bedtime. This may hinder your sleep-wake cycle. What are the side effects of ghee coffee? Drinking ghee coffee in excessive amounts has side effects too. Calorie boost. Drinking too many cups of ghee coffee can affect the overall calorie intake. Since ghee has been added to the coffee, its calorie content goes up. It might lead to weight gain, affect lipids. Also, ghee coffee can increase blood lipids such as cholesterol and triglycerides. Therefore, it can also lead to a risk of heart disease. Not ideal for breakfast replacement. It does not have all the nutrients that are part of a balanced meal. Therefore, replacing your breakfast with ghee coffee is not a good idea. In fact, there are many others skipping breakfast, however. As long as you follow moderation and manage the timing, ghee coffee can still be your friend. Who should not have ghee coffee? Owing to the caffeine content, pregnant and lactating women can avoid ghee coffee consumption. People with heart issues, dyslipidemia, fat malabsorption, gallbladder, and pancreas-related disorders may consult their dietitian before going on such a regime. Weight loss as well as better heart health. However, the key to unlocking these benefits lies in the right consumption. Consuming ghee coffee excessively can also lead to various side effects such as an increase in cholesterol, as well as more consumption of calories. Can you have ghee coffee on an empty stomach? Yes, ghee coffee on an empty stomach can help strengthen the walls of your intestines, as well as reduce bloating. Is ghee coffee allowed while fasting? Yes, if you are on the ketogenic diet or are following intermittent fasting, then adding ghee to your coffee would help you in your weight loss journey. Can ghee coffee cause loose motion? It would require some time for your body to adjust to the amount of fat that is present in ghee coffee, especially in the mornings. Hence, you may experience some digestion-related challenges initially. Thanks for watching.